Hi guys, this is Rowan aka the Human Voice Talks here with more sound effects that you can use on your films. This one's going to be a shotgun firing and reloading sound effect. So if you're doing a film where someone's firing a shotgun and reloading it, then you can use this sound effect. And this is actually me doing the sound effect despite the fact I'm holding a gun. And yeah, it is actually me, because if I did fire it, it would be pretty dangerous. So I don't think this is loaded, so I think we're alright. So ready? Stay away from my barn, you walkers! Right, I just gotta reload this, but see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.